Hey everyone, there is a new translation tool that I got to give a shout out to Prakash in our customer support live chat team for finding this, but a way less expensive translation tool that works really well with Sociamonials. So if you're one of our white label people, Agency Pro, somebody like that, and you want to be able to translate this to another language, this is a really inexpensive way of doing it. Their starter plan is $17 a month, and so far, it's only had to translate 7,000 words on the test account that I set up. So I think you can get away with 17 bucks, even if for whatever reason it crept up a little higher. 32 a month is also really inexpensive. So I'm going to show you how to set this up. It's insanely easy to set up, you guys. For 17 a month, you're going to get one translated language. And for 32 a month, you can get three translated languages. And to switch between them is almost instant. So it's really convenient for your clients. Let me show you how to do it. First thing you want to do is sign up for a free trial. It's got a 14-day full-featured trial, and it doesn't even require a credit card. So you can try this right now. That's what I'm doing. I'm not paying. I'm just using the free trial. It's full-featured, and you can really get the feel for it and make sure it's right for you. I love that. So once you sign up, here's what it looks like in the dashboard. Once you sign up, the integration is super easy. You are going to jump into projects. You need to go and grab the script, and I'll show you where to put it. I'm going to use Sociamonials project. As you can see, it's translated 7,500 words that it automatically detected. I used English to French because I'm getting a lot of requests for French language recently. And if you go into setup, that's it. See this JavaScript code? You just need to copy this. I'm going to go over to Sociamonials. This is one of our demo accounts, and I'm going to go into the agency dashboard, white label. I'm going to go to other settings, and down here where it says add JavaScript, I'm going to paste in my JavaScript, and that's it. Once you click save, take a look at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to move this up so you could see it. There you go. See this? Now I can translate into French. Look. Now you'll notice that this is a little bit of an issue. You'll probably want to, like there's another one over here. See how this is wrapping to a second line? Because different languages have different lengths. You might have to jump into the CSS and start tweaking with it if you want it perfect. But I think it does a great job for how fast that was. So I'm on a new page and it's already translated it. And what's really cool is I'm sure that you have a better grasp on your local language than I do here. So you can always jump in and change it. Like if you see something you don't like this one still says repost. So I can jump in over here. Oh, whoops. Let's try that again. So I'm going to jump in and I want to change that. So I'm going to go back to the home page. And I am going to click, let's see, manage translations, and click the number of translated words. And then I'm just going to search for that. So that was repost. It'll find that word that it scraped from the page. And as you can see, it's calling this repost. So now what I can do is I can go over to Google. You would just know this because it's your local language. But I checked repost and it recommends Republier. So I can actually go in and correct it. Let's go and put this other one in. So instead of, it works just like our language, our edit language feature in our campaigns. So it gives you a list of the original words, and then you can just correct it here. And that's it. It's already saved. And watch what happens. I'm going to go back over here. And when I refresh the page, it should update it. Isn't that the coolest thing you've ever seen? So now it's automatically going to change to the new language every time I switch. So your customers can go back and forth. So let's say you have it, going to three different languages. Maybe you're on some, in a country that's bordering other countries that have a different language. Perfect. Now they can just switch to whichever of the three languages that they want to support or that they want to use. Let me move this up so you can see what I'm doing. And it's really easy to like move this around. You can move this over. You can add the words English. You can remove the flags. So it's incredibly customizable. And I think you'll have a lot of fun with it. So if you've been asking for translations, this is the closest we've gotten to offering you guys translations. So that website again was Weglot, which is a horrible, horrible website name, but it's weglot.com. And go try it. Set up a free trial and paste that in there, and you're all set to go. Just know that you have to have a white label account with Sociamonials in order to implement this. And it's going to be implemented across all of your spaces, which is also super cool. So if you're one of our clients that has over 100 workspaces within your agency, this will instantly apply to all of them, and it will default to whichever language you want and just give them the option to switch over to the other one. So anyway, I'm really impressed with this. And once again, thank you, Prakash, for finding this. If you guys find any really cool tools, send it our way and we will give it a try. Thanks.